Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to archive a page within Notion. So basically there are multiple ways of archiving a page. I'll show you the first way. So that is by creating another archive page. So tap on slash and type page and call this something like archive or trash, I don't know, and give this maybe a trash icon like this. And let's say this is your dashboard. So now I'm in my dashboard. I have a lot of templates right here and a lot of to-do lists, and I want to add this archive page to my dashboard. So basically, let's say you have a to-do list. Let's go to the dashboard, and let's say you want to move that to-do list into the archive. So basically you can hold this to-do list and move it into the archive like this. And now this to-do list is stored in the archive, in the trash page like this. So it isn't deleted, so you can always view it back very easily, but it is not in your dashboard anymore. So you can do that with a lot of pages. So let's say this is a calendar and you want to remove this calendar very easily. Move it into the archive and you see all of your pages. So another way of archiving pages is by, let's say this is another calendar 2023, and you want to archive this calendar. So what you can do is, of that specific page you want to archive, tap on those three dots and scroll all the way down until you see delete. So when you tap on delete, this page will be moved to the trash, but it won't be deleted instantly. It is stored in the trash and you can always restore it. You can always watch it back, but it is in the trash. So that way I don't really like, but it is a way of archiving, or of, you can call it deleting, archiving. It's a bit the same, but you can always restore it very easily. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider subscribing and leaving a like, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.